Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. So for today's episode, I want to unbox this. So I bought a 1,000 peso made in China sneaker bag. So it's a sneaker duffel bag and it is, well, relatively cheap compared to a lot of the other brands that you can get today. So I want to unwrap it, unpack it, unbox it, check it out, and see if it's worth recommending or not. And after that, I'll be unboxing a brand new pair of white sneakers. Leather, luxurious, pristine, as pure as your soul kind of white sneakers. Well, I hope your souls are pure. But anyway, they're made in Italy and it took a while for them to get here. It was delayed because of COVID, but finally I get to unbox and wear them. So if you want to see both, keep on watching. Let's go. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. I will be announcing a new giveaway very soon, so hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and our wristwatch of the day, it's a new segment. I'm going to share what are the watches that I'm wearing. This is the Oris Aquis Date 400. I did an unboxing of this on my watch channel. You can check it out down below. Let's start with the sneaker bag and let's Matteo Guidicelli this thing and see what's inside. So here we have it. You have your typical plastic, it's a black sneaker bag. It has some sort of, like, let's open this one up. We're really excited to see if it's worth the money. So as you guys can see, it says over here, Sneakers, SNKR by Sneaker Myth. So it's a sneaker bag by Sneaker Myth. And if you pop it open, it's a black sneaker bag and it has Vault highlights inside. And it also has your typical pockets, zippered pockets. One over here where you can put, I don't know, extra laces or crepe wipes. You can put electronics and other gadgets in this other pocket. Now, there is a strap, obviously, so you can carry it around as on your shoulder as a duffel bag. And just like with most sneaker bags, it comes with dividers with Velcro straps, so you can customize the look or the partitions of the inside of the inner compartment of the bag. So theoretically, you can put 1, 2, 3, 4 ba? Yeah, you can put 4 pairs of sneakers inside this bag, and that should work, I think, for most people. Or you can just put like 1 pair of shoes and then put clothes and make it and turn it into an overnight bag. Apart from the internal compartment, we also have an exterior giant pocket over here on the outer side. And inside, you can probably, I don't know, put in all your other, I don't know, socks and other accessories that you need to bring with you. You can even put like a small laptop in there. And that's pretty much it. That's the sneaker bag by Sneaker Myth that I got from Lazada for 1,000 pesos. If you guys want one, I will link it down below. Now, do I recommend this based on the quality of the bag? Well, if you're just looking for a cheap, affordable sneaker duffel bag to carry around with you, or an overnighter bag that you'll just throw around and you don't want to spend a lot of money, I think it's a great option. It's a good option if you want a gym bag. This also works really well. Again, it's just 1,000 pesos and it can fit so much stuff inside. But of course, in terms of quality, if you want really good sneaker bags, check out, of course, Volve Manila. They've been our partner for our Project 721 messenger bag or side bag, and they do excellent quality duffel bags. They even come with freebies such as sneaker dust bags. But yeah, if you want something on the super affordable side, you can check this one out. Now, this unboxing is literally maybe 4-5 months in the makings. So this is a sneaker from Oliver Cabell. And this is a white luxury white shoe, leather shoe that's made in Italy, designed in Italy with materials from Italy. So this is called, what's the official name of this? This is called the Low One Oliver Cabell. Now this was delayed. I've been wanting to get my hands on this, but it was delayed due to COVID, but we finally have it. So it comes in this luxurious white box. If you pop the box open, let's open it. There you go. You have some sort of white tissue paper and then bam! Wow! Man, that is clean AF, guys. OMG. So this is constructed and stitched and lasted in Marche, Italy. The upper is 3 oz full grain calfskin leather from the same area. The outsole is Margom Italian outsoles, renowned for their durable, lightweight weather. The footbed is Italian calfskin, wow, over a removable molded insole. The lining is Italian calfskin leather. The counters are full grain calfskin leather, again from the same area. And even the laces are Italian cotton. And how much is it? The current price is $189. That's less than 10,000 pesos for a luxurious pair of white leather sneakers made in Italy. In short, if you're thinking of like super expensive brands, you know, such as Common Projects, skip that. Go for this one instead. Now, what I want to do next is I want to put it on feet, and then I want to get back to you guys on how I think the sneaker fits and how it feels. So hold on. Okay, so based on our on-feet test, the Oliver Campbell low ones are fantastic. They feel amazing. I think it has a lot to do with the insole that they use, the overall fit, as well as the inner padded tongue. So you get that cushioning feeling all around your feet, from the bottom to the sides to even the top of your feet. And it's just a really fresh, timeless, classic looking white pair of leather sneakers that's made from amazing quality in Italy. That's just so friggin' awesome. So if you guys are looking for like clean white leather sneakers that give you a very luxurious vibe, check them out. I will link them down below. They sell for $189, less than 10,000 pesos. They ship worldwide, including the Philippines. So what do you guys think of the sneaker bag? What do you guys think of the white shoes? Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you haven't checked out my watch channel yet, please do check it out. I'm currently unboxing a series of the Naruto Seiko collaboration. I've done Naruto, I've done Sarada, I've done Boruto, I've done Shikamaru, I've done Sasuke, and I will be doing Gaara as well as Rock Lee to complete the entire series over the next few days. So make sure that you guys jump on my watch channel, subscribe, check out the content there as well. And with that said, this is Carlos signing out. I hope you guys are all doing good. Merry Christmas in advance. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.